spending hours editing and still not getting the result you want. What if I told you that you could cut your editing hours in half? In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you will edit your video real fast. Welcome to Gift Uchechukwu channel. On this channel, today I am going to be showing you how to edit fast for you to get your editing skills and post your videos on time. So join me while we come to the screen. Let's go. But before that, number one, gather all your equipment, your editing things, tools together. Two, make sure you are in your editing space. What do I mean? You have your space where you create your videos. You should have a space where you do what? Where you do your editing. Another point is a lot of creators make this mistake. Why? Editing videos, and that is why we spend hours editing one video, especially new content creators. Don't make this mistake of rewatching your video. Each clip you edit, going back to rewatch it can make you to spend hours. What do? After editing that particular clip, don't rewatch it. Keep editing. At the end, you do your watching. Another point is gather all the footage, all your bureau, all your visuals you want to fix in your video. How do you do this? Before you start your editing, you have your script where you did all of every damn thing. Go through your script. You know where your bureaus are supposed to be in. You know where your footage are supposed to be in. Gather all of those things and keep them. Another point is all those apps that can distract you while you are doing your editing, like your TikTok, like your Instagram. Go to your phone app and do what? Uninstall them. After your video, after your editing, you can now install them back. Another distraction point is your phone. Make sure your phone is on do not disturb. Do not disturb, so that you will not start answering call or calls disturbing you, because by the time calls are coming in and calls are disturbing you, if you finish one call, it will take you hours for you to come back to the thing you are doing, your editing, and making the length of your editing to be hours. Are you getting the point there? Another one is our advice you not to put your music while you are doing editing. Let your music be the last thing you will add. Why? Because in so many occasions, it takes your time while you are searching for um the right music you will put if you want to use like music in your video, distracting you, because so many times you might not be able to download those videos. Sorry, so many times you might not be able to download those music. So it's during the course of your editing you can now look for that particular music. So I advise you put your music last. The last but not the least is so many people, especially new people who are coming up newly, please and please don't allow this to crowd your senses of wanting your video to be perfect before you post it. When you talk about consistency in posting on your YouTube, You don't need to be perfect, because if you want to be perfect, one video can take you some days, a day, 2 days, and making your posting and your consistency on YouTube not to be as it should. I advise that work done is better than perfect. Work done is better than perfect. You heard me. If you have not subscribed, subscribe for more tips. Bye.